Students, we have already done two types of prepositions of time and prepositions of place or position. Now the third one is prepositions of direction. Words which are used to express the ways where objects move, means it shows the place where objects move. Let us see prepositions of direction. First we will see towards and to, and we will see the difference between towards and to. He is going towards the market. This is market. Towards the market means market is not the destination. He can go here and he can go here also, means इससे पहले भी and after this, इसके बाद भी, this is not the destination for him. To, he is going to the market. To the market means for him market is the destination. This is market and this is his destination, so he is going to the market. Means we will use towards in these type of sentences. Here market is not the destination, and to, here market is the destination. Into, we have already used into. As I told you, into is used when things are in motion. Here he jumped into the river. This is river and he jumped into the river. Off, the book fell off the table. Table and the book fell off the table. We will use fell off, not fell from. Fell off the table. Up and down. She climbed up stairs or climbed up hills. Climbed up like this, and she fell down the stairs. Down the stairs. Next is through. He came through the window. Through the window like this. Through, he came through the window. And one more sentence, the thief broke into the house through the window. Next preposition of direction is round. The dog went round the tree. Went round the tree. Here round, this is tree, and the dog went round the tree. Along, they went for a walk along the river. Along the river here means, for example, this is river and they walked along the rivers. Here like this, along the river. Across, we walked across the field. Across the field. Cross like this. So we will call we walked across the field. Other uses of prepositions. There are some other uses of prepositions. Let us see those. By. By is used with as prepositions of time. And here it will be used as it suggests the person or thing that did something. Means the doer. We can say doer means that do, the person that does something, like some paintings by M.F. Hussain, means paintings by M.F. Hussain. Or we can say prizes were given away by Prime Minister. By Prime Minister. That did something. It is also used with means of transport. With means of transport, we use preposition by bus, by train, by car. Other uses of prepositions. Next is for. For is used to show purpose. Let us go for a cup of T. It shows the purpose. It also shows journal time. We were there for 3 days. For 3 days, it is time and it is describing time. 4 is describing time here. We use for with some expressions like for good, for the first time, for the moment, and for the time being. With these expressions, for is used. From and to. From and to are used. From is used for starting point of an action and to is used for the end point of an action. For example, with from 7 to 9 or from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. From Mumbai to Goa. Mumbai is the starting point and Goa is the ending point. From Mumbai to Goa. And it is also used with some expressions like from day to night. Day is the starting point and night is the ending point. From bad to worse. From morning to evening. Means from is used for starting point of an action and to is used for ending point of an action. Next is of. It suggests belongingness. The legs of this chair are broken. Of this chair. It shows belongingness. This table is made of wood. Made of. Now next one is with. It suggests company. With preposition suggest company. He came with his family. With shows here company means company of his family. It is also used with the things we use to do something. Means with the help of something. For example, wash these vegetables with water. Here with is used means with the help of water. We are using water to do something. To wash these vegetables we use water. Write with pen. Note with pencil. Here with the help of something. The teacher punished the students with the stick. Here with is used with the things we use to do something. I hope you got the topic and you understood prepositions very well.